On being put to notice, the respondent number 2, Union Public Service Commission within bracket UPSC bracket out had filed separate reply full stop. The crux of the reply filed by the respondent UPSC was that the averment of the petitioner regarding the 7 vacancies being determined by the Government of India for the year 2011 for IAS cadre of Haryana was not denied full stop. It was also not denied that the name of the petitioner was included at serial number 10 in the zone of consideration and that the meeting of selection committee was held on 29/10/2015 full stop. However, it was stated in the reply by the UPSC that despite finalization the select list for the year 2011 for the IS cadre of Haryana could not be made public due to restraint order passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in LPA number 972 of 2015 full stop. Therefore, the list for the year 2011 was not notified by the UPSC at that time full stop regarding the merits of the petitioner. Only this much was said in the reply filed by the UPSC that the selection committee is not guided merely by the overall grading given in the ACRS of the candidates, but it is required to make overall categorization of the candidate by their own assessment on the basis of all the entries in the ACRS full stop. Besides this, in the reply, reliance was placed upon several judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court to contend that the assessment made by the selection committee is not to be interfered by the tribunal or the court, and further that the tribunal or the court cannot act as an appellate authority over the assessment made by the selection committee full stop. It was further claimed that the assessment made by the selection committee is sacrosanct, being based on the satisfaction of the selection committee, and therefore, neither any reasons are required to be recorded, nor can the satisfaction of the selection committee be questioned full stop. However, so far as the record and the merit of the petitioner or the assessment thereof by the selection committee or any criteria applied for such assessment is concerned, no comments were offered in the reply filed by the UPSC full stop. So far as the challenge by the petitioner to the letter dated 16/12/2015 and the clarifications dated 9/10/2015 is concerned, in the reply by the UPSC it was averred that this clarification provided for the consideration of the cases of the persons who have expired or retired as on the date of consideration but were available during the relevant period to which the vacancies belong, therefore, the case of the expired person was rightly considered by the selection committee, and further that even the petitioner was beneficiary of the same clarification dated 9/10/2015 because he was also considered despite having retired before the meeting of the selection committee. Full stop. Therefore, he was stopped from questioning the validity of this clarification. Full stop.